Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to do a disk partition. First of all, open your PC. Here you will see the available volumes. Now we are going to do the partition of the new volume D. Now go to Manage. Disk Management. Now select the desired hard drive of which you want to do partition. Right click on the desired hard drive, shrink volume, now shrink it to the size of your desired volume. Complete the procedure. Now you should be able to see the unallocated space you have made. Right click on it, new simple volume, select the size of the volume, assign a letter according to your wish and complete the procedure. Now you should be able to see the new volume added. So that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful. So please like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know if you face any problem with this in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. See you again.